Merry Christmas mga ka-NOYPI! It's Chocolate Day! Having sweet day? If not, let me take you to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. So, may mga branches din sila dito. So, nagbibenta din po sila ng mga stuffed toys, tumblers, and specially packed items ideal for a gift in time for Christmas. So, nagbibenta din po sila ng dipped bananas, packed items, chocolate ice creams, and treat for your fur babies. So, madami silang chocolate flavored items to choose from. Mga chocolate lovers are waving! Meron din silang chocolate dipped dried fruit nag-range ng 390 pesos per quarter pound, truffle, dipped marshmallows nag-range ng 160 pesos, and dipped green apples na nag-range from 300 to 400 pesos. And they also have milk chocolate, dark chocolate. This is their menu for the beverages. We ordered iced Americano without sugar na nag-complement with the sweetness of the chocolate. Strawberry milkshake. And Rocky Road apple na green apple siya, dipped with chocolate, caramel, and marshmallows. We also ordered hazelnut dark chocolate na 220 pesos. And finally, the snowman marshmallows. So overall, yung average price nila is on the higher range. But if you are a chocolate lover, you may want to visit this. Kaya sabi nga nila, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy chocolate, and that's the same thing. So mga ka-NOYPI, always remember, stay healthy and dine out responsibly.